students, in previous video we have completed chapter 4 Tools of Word 2010 formatting a document. Today we will do exercise of this lesson. First we will start from fill in the blanks. First, an italic text appear with a small inclination. Second, a line spacing is a spacing between two lines. And third, Ctrl plus B is a shortcut key to make a text bold. Now come to the answer this question. Our first question is, write the steps to change a font type, and the answer is steps to change a font type. Step 1, select the text to which you want to apply the font change. Steps to change a font type. Step 1, select the text to which you want to apply the font change. Step 2, click the Home tab. Now click the Font Type button to list down all the fonts available as shown below. Step 3, try to move the mouse pointer over the listed fonts. Finally, select a desired font by clicking over the font name in the list. Question number 2. How can you make text italic? And the answer is, to make text italic, follow two simple steps. Step 1. Select the portion of the text of the font which needs to be italic. We can use any of the selection method to select the portion of the text. Step 2. Click the font italic I button in the Home tab font group, or simply use the Ctrl plus I keys to convert the portion of the text in the italic font. In a simple language, you can say which text you want to make italic. First you have to select the text. Afterwards, you can press Ctrl plus I from the keyboard. Then the text will be italic. Now come to the question number 3. Write the steps to change the font color, and the answer is, following are the steps to change the font color. Step 1. Select the portion of the text, the font color which needs to be changed. We can use any of the text selection method to select the portion of the text. Students, you can use any of the selection method. It means you can select with the help of mouse or with the help of keyboard also. I have already discussed you about selection method. Step 2. Click the font color button, triangle to display a list of colors. In the font color group, you will see a triangle button. As you will click there, so many colors will be there. Then try to move your mouse pointer over different colors. You can select any of the color available by simply clicking over it. It means if you will which color you want to choose, you can choose with the help of mouse pointer. Now question number 4. What is left indentation? Left indentation means to move the left edge of the paragraph inwards towards the center of the paragraph. Now come to the shortcut keys. Ctrl plus B, bold. Ctrl plus I, italic. Ctrl plus J, justify. Ctrl plus E, center. Ctrl plus R, right. These are the shortcut keys. This shortcut key will work when you will select your text. If you want to text be bold, then select that text, then press Ctrl plus B from the keyboard. You have to learn and write, fill in the blanks, question answer and these shortcut keys in your computer notebook and learn it. Thank you.